I have the Intrepid logo. It's a vector graphic, right? So it could be a simple ellipse or whatever, as long as it's a vector graphic. And I want it to mask out the thing below it. Now, the way Figma works, it's a little bit different. So first off, I'm going to drag both of these into the frame 1, so it will be seen. And then on the vector graphic, which I called logo, I'm going to hit Control click and say use as mask, or you can go to File, Object, Use as mask. And now it's a mask. Nothing is really happening. And the way the mask works is the mask needs to be at the bottom while everything above it becomes masked. So I'm going to take this Giphy and drag it up. So now it is affecting, you see the arrow, now it is masked. And it should be done, and click on it, and there it is.